Folks, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2021 Heritage Glen 286 RL. I want to go over some of the features with the coach. It is an island with an island sink. You've got a great pantry in this, the 13 cubic foot refrigerator. It's got the cold weather package, which includes heated tanks. You've got the electric fireplace heater. It's a rear living with the large windows in the back, a sleeper sofa, table and chairs with storage underneath the chairs. When you step up into the bathroom, it's got a full-size shower, very nicely laid out. It also has, in the rear master suite, a king bed. It's hooked up to have a washer and dryer put in it. This coach has ducted air conditioning and is just very nicely laid out. Once again, thank you folks for your time. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. You can contact me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. Have a great day.